Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install and set up your HP OfficeJet Pro 9015 series printer on your Windows device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All you have to do is open up a web browser, and into Google search, you want to search for HP OfficeJet Pro 9015 support and search for it. Best results should come back with an HP support page that says HP OfficeJet Pro 9015 all-in-one printer. Open that up, and then on this page, go underneath the support category that says software and drivers. And then scrolling down this page, you want to select the HP Easy Start Printer Setup software and download that. And then once it's downloaded to your system, go ahead and open up that file to begin extracting it. If you receive a user account control prompt, should be a verified publisher, HP Inc. Select yes, and then just proceed with the on-screen wizard here of getting your printer connected to your device and hooked up properly. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.